Hello, this is Sean from Pedals4Paws. Zilla got a mystery package today in the mail from someone who didn't put their name on it, so we have no idea who sent this gift, but thank you very much. It is a treat mat, which you basically hide treats in these various little pockets or inside the fluff or under things, so that your dog has to, run around and can sniff and has to try and find all of these different treats. So there's, a little pocket over here, little pockets all over the place. So I am gonna throw some treats in here in a second, and we'll let Zilla out and see how he does. But thank you very much, whoever sent this. That's really awesome of you. Appreciate it. So let's see, we'll put a piece of cheese in here. Put one under here. That's a little big. And this looks totally washable too, so that makes it perfect. I'm not going to put anything super messy in here. We'll stick a greenie right there so you can smell it, kind of see it. Don't want to make it too hard for him since he's never done one of these before, but yeah, this should be fun for him. So again, whoever sent this out, that's really cool. And we're also using a couple of the treats that were sent out by Gail the other day. So I'm guessing Zilla's gonna go for the cheese first though, knowing Zilla. So let's let him out. Zilla, come on. Come check it out. Come poke around. Do you smell anything? Zilla, there's more. Come on. Come here. Come on. Is that more? Come take a look. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you smell more cheese, huh? There's some over here too. Well, I guess that's all for now. Thank you again so much to Zilla's mystery benefactor for sending him such an awesome gift. You rock.